Package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about something totally different. We are not going to talk about portable systems or game consoles. We're going to talk about buttons and joystick from the brand Hikig. Are you searching for a solution for your arcade machine, or you want to upgrade to light-up buttons? Maybe this can be the solution for you. I just wanted to do a separate review because I already did a bulk with these joystick and arcade buttons. I did buy two of these kits, and in this video I just wanted to let you see what are we going to get. So at first, this is what we're going to get. A lot of stuff. So let's do a little overview, unboxing, and let's see. Alright, so let's do a little bit overview. What are we going to get? Let's begin with the encoder boards. These are special encoder boards for this kit. We're getting two of them because we have two players. At this side we are finding a lot of cables, but these are needed for getting the light up feature to work and connecting the buttons through the encoder board. Here we have the USB cable, pretty long if you ask me. This is just basic USB 2.0 that you connect to the encoder board, and this side goes into your main board, for example a Raspberry Pi. These encoder boards are working very well for a Raspberry Pi. The kit comes with a small, little tiny manual. Oh, I'm just ripping the plastic. It even comes with little stickers and some basic explanation how you need to connect them, and a little overview of the encoder board. Very convenient. Alright, and this side we are finding the bag. This is the red and the blue one. I really like to have two different colors. Maybe you can find that you have only red or only having blue buttons. That's something you need to decide for yourself. It contains all the buttons, the small and the bigger ones, and the little rings that you need for attaching them to the arcade machine. Alright, so the blue and the red contains small and big buttons. We have a couple of these small buttons. I must say it got a very nice touch. Here at the bottom we're finding the switch. Here you connect it with the main board for the input, and here we can find the input for your light up feature. We're having two red ones and two blue ones. Okay, here we're going to show you the bigger button. All of them have this plastic protection. Don't know why that is, but got a nice touch. I like it. At the bottom it's the same story like the little one. They are very long, so keep in mind that you have room in your arcade machine for these buttons. I like the way how you can lock them. I'm personally a big fan of this system. Alright, so I put a set in my arcade 1-up cabinet. Let's see them in action and let's see how they're playing. And before I'm forgetting, we're getting the ball. So these are included with the joystick. So this is the way they are looking in my arcade 1-up cabinet. Alright, let's power it on the machine and let's see how the light up works. Alright, let's power it on. Take some time. Let's get some juice from the USB. But this is how it looks. What I really like about the light up feature, that it's not too bright. I like it a lot. I was afraid when buying these that you're going to get blinded by the very, very bright LEDs, but that is not the case here. So again, very pleased with this. Alright. Very curious how this thing is going to respond.
Round 1, fight!
Ik moet find my buttons, maar...
Round 2, fight!
Getting goosebumps, man. Getting goosebumps of this soundtrack.
Prepare to strike, now!
All the moves come instantly. All the moves come out instantly. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Alright, so for the final conclusion regarding this complete kit. It's a package deal, so it comes with all the buttons, joysticks and everything you're going to need. I think it's a pretty cool set. The buttons got a very nice touch. The joysticks are very responsive. So this is what we're going to get. And for the money, here it comes, here it comes. We can't complain. So nothing beats, of course, original Samuel button joystick, but if I'm saying it correctly, normally you're paying around, let's say, €20 up to €25 for only a joystick. And now you're paying €50 and you're having a full kit including encoders. So I think it's a great deal, but it's something you need to decide for yourself if you want to have real original Samuel parts and you're going to need to spend a lot of money on it, or you're just happy with a Chinese kit like this. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell for more awesome Wicked content. And if you like gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.